Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add black screen in CapCut, adding black screens to video, easy CapCut tutorial. So if you want to go ahead and add in a black screen effect onto the middle of a clip or onto a video here onto your CapCut, then you're onto the right guide. Now to get started, just make sure to go ahead and open the CapCut app onto your device. So I'm currently in onto a project already. And if you haven't imported a clip, just click onto this blue icon in here to add the clips here onto your device or the clips that you want to use for your editing. So for example, I've added this one. To go ahead and add this onto the timeline, you could simply click onto the blue icon in here to add this track or simply drag and drop it in here. Now, the first step that we could try out is, for example, if I want to add a black screen part here onto the middle of the clip. So over here, what I need to do is I'll just have to go ahead and split this, and then to add in a black part, you could actually add the clip over in here onto the upper part, or to go ahead and add in another timeline in here so that it should go ahead and show a black screen and then play the clip again. So as you can see, it did added a black part here onto the middle part, but what if you want to add this here onto its main timeline? You don't want to go ahead and add another timeline here onto the upper part. So you'll just need to go ahead and turn this one off, this main track magnet. So if that one is turned off, then you could simply drag the clip here onto this part. So it will go ahead and show also a black screen onto a certain part wherein it doesn't have the clip. Now there is another step as well wherein we could use the stock material of a black photo here on CapCut. So just head here onto stock materials here onto your CapCut, and as you can see, there is a black video in here around 6 seconds. So we're gonna just download that, and we could go ahead and add that track here as well onto our timeline. So we could just go ahead and adjust this just like that, and then we could turn this one back again on so that it would go ahead and show something like this. So we could trim this onto the part wherein we want to stop the black screen. For example, this part, we're going to delete the right portion of that, and it should go ahead and look something like this. And that is how to add black screen in CapCut, adding black screens to video, easy CapCut tutorial. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.